We're here at Kokomo Joes. It's Sunday. Oh, bless you, honey.
Holy mackerel.
Holy mackerel indeed. Anyway, we're here at Kokomo Joes. It's Sunday afternoon. Alright, here we are. It's Father's Day. So what else are we going to do? See if anything's different. My favorite Willy Wonka, Wizard of Oz, 69. I don't know. Just make sure no one left a golden ticket behind. Nope. Alright, Robert's going straight for the beanbag toss. That's his favorite candy. See if there, that one's broken, of course. Just looking to see if there's any Totos. Sorry, I'm making everyone sick. Alright, no Totos.
Missed it by that much.
I know, one more second. You would have got that second blue straight.
Ain't gonna be good enough. Be 66,000.
Oh my god, your math is on point.
My math is much better when I drink tequila.
Yeah, Robert, we went, oh my god. Yeah, we had margaritas for lunch.
We didn't celebrate yesterday.
No, we didn't drink at the parade. Everyone else drank at the parade.
I'm gonna try one more time.
Yes, you can try one more time. You gotta wait. Okay, you're on the other side. You see, you gotta wait till the tickets are ready. So yeah, yesterday we went to the Breeze Parade. We did not drink. So I'm like, Robert, what do you want to do for Father's Day? He goes, summer was a margarita. We found this Mexican restaurant. They wouldn't wait on us. I mean, it wasn't that they wouldn't wait on us, but they took forever. And we have like, you know, not that big of patience. I'm not gonna wait 10 minutes for someone to wait on me. I think it was like 20 minutes we were sitting there. So anyway, we left and we went to O'Charlie's. And I'll have to say O'Charlie's has pretty darn good margaritas.
Oh, you son of a gun. It took my points away from me.
It took your points away?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Took points. Still not enough. 67,000.
That's a little heartbreaking. So close. That's so. Wait. This one you get it. No. Oh, so close. All right, start with the right again. You try. Okay. All right, they intermingled the Pink Panther and the E.T.s because they still have those left. But look, they have Looney Tunes, and I really want Foghorn Leghorn. Do you think you can win Foghorn Leghorn?
I don't know. Let's
You want to try it? Let's try it. There's only one. Well, there's one in the back row, but that's probably too far away. Alright, let's see.
I think I went too far back.
I think he went too far back. That's why it's hard to tell on these. Oh. I think he might have made it a better position, maybe. What do you think?
I don't know. I won't know until we try. Gotta get him between the legs.
Get him between the legs. That doesn't sound very good.
No.
Well, anyway, Robert gave up on beanbag toss. He's been trying a little later. He just needs to relax. It is a little bit care. They set the score a little higher, and it's not as many beanbags. So it's possible. It's just not as easy as Dave Buster's. And he might be hindered by his margarita. Oh, come on. Oh,
You can do it if you can get it better.
Alright, I'm gonna try it once. Just once, and then I'm gonna spin the rest on Willy Wonka. Because let me tell you, $25 does not last very long whatsoever. Come on, come on. Oh no, he did not go between the legs. I don't know, he didn't go between. Wait, now he is. Oh! Do you think I should try it one more time? You tried twice. I'm gonna try twice. You tried twice. You'd rather do the beanbag toss. Okay.
That's scammy, but it's not scammy as well.
It's all scammy. It's an arcade. See, and I thought I was...
Gotta get him by the beak.
I thought I was too far up front, and it... Okay, I'm done. No
You
price.
thought you had a chance.
I thought I had a chance. Silly me. Silly me. Okay, so it doesn't look like there's any new games, so I'm going to let Robert try beanbag toss one more time, and then the rest is going to be Willy Wonka.
What's that?
I said, do you want to do beanbag toss one more time?
One more time.
One more time, and then the rest goes to Willy Wonka. Which side, right or left?
Let's just do left, because...
Do you feel lucky?
Not really. Let's give it a whirl. We got the card.
Three in a row gets
It's
the street
$160
bonus.
already. I mean, seriously. $25.
The rest, the highest value. Ready, go! You're on a roll. Pitch the blue street bonus. Red street bonus.
Damn it.
Bagged 'em. Blue street bonus. The red's the highest. Red street bonus. Blue street bonus.
Did not screw me on the bags.
They
Game
did.
over.
Oh my god, I hit balls. Did you see
You
that?
did. It doesn't have enough bags.
There's just no way. They're scamming here. There's hard.
There's not enough
They
bags.
don't get enough bags, and the belt doesn't move fast enough. So, scammy.
Red street tally.
They realize they gotta cover their expenses.
I mean, he used to get it all the time. I definitely feel like there's less bags. Definitely.
Yeah, there's some bags missing.
There's one right there. In between, you can't get it out. So, all right. Oh well.
This is
No
a game
jackpots
of
for him
skill.
today.
I'm not wasting it.
All right, that's fine. Let's go play Willy Wonka. All right, let's see how many tickets we won. This is a new card. So we got 1,700 tickets, and we still have $6 left. We're gonna save it for another trip because we're kind of like not in the mood. First, I'm gonna see if there's any new items in the gift store. 1,700. They still have. Oh my god, I could get that caterpillar. No, I can't. That's 15,000. But look at that caterpillar. Little squirrel. Squirtle. Roulette. Oh look, they have Aladdin Pop. That's cool. Fortnite. What is that? Midi Boomers? I forgot what that is. Speakers. Fortnite. I don't know what that is. Fortnite stuff that I don't know what they are. Oh my god, look at these squishies. They have a huge pizza squishy. I kind of need that pizza squishy. Or that banana squishy. Oh my god, they have a Jigglypuff. That's cute. And they have the waffle narwhal. Interesting. Oh my god. They do have a lot of cute prizes. Now I remember why I like coming here. They do have good prizes. You got kickball or flip cups. I don't know what that is. Oh, you can buy an adventure cardboard cutout for $12. Beanbag toss for our pool that we don't have. You get at that. Bow and arrow for the.
Looks like they're going to more toys and prizes.
You say what?
That's more toys.
Yeah, they got. There's some. Yeah. But if you like toys, well, they do have a Nintendo Switch. Here's the expensive stuff. Alright, Nintendo Switch for $75,000 and iWatch for $50,000. PlayStation, just a PlayStation? It's $15,000. Mickey Beats, $75,000. Echo Dot, and I don't know what that stuff is. I don't know what an Echo Dot is, so anyway. DC Superheroes, which I'm terrible at. My favorite Willy Wonka game. And I'm going to show you one other thing. So, they have 2 escape rooms here. Laser tag. They have a don't go over the rubber system when stinky area. Anyway, so there's a bar, and there's a snack bar, and there's an adult beverage bar. I'm going to show the Bennington. So, I don't know if you're going to see. So on this screen, there it is, right? It's going to be gone. See that blue, delightful drink, the Bennington? So it was named after the St. Louis Blues goalie, Jordan Bennington. So it's gone. But anyway, that was cool. That they give a little shout out to the St. Louis Blues. We appreciate all businesses that do that. So the theming here is pretty cool. The decor. And a nice little beachy theme. So, and that's what the clouds look like.